Solo pido este tiempo muerto para que nadie se confunda.
He has this time out to make sure nobody mistake.
Es el momento de árbitros. ¡No!
The moment about the
Da
referee.
igual lo que piten.
No matter
Da
what
igual
they
lo
do.
que hagan.
No matter what
Máximo
they do.
nivel de todo el mundo físico.
Everybody best
Si alguien
about
está
physical.
cansado, sufre.
Somebody tired out.
Si alguien sufre, le cambio.
Chicos, no. Todo el rato estamos haciendo gestos como para el árbitro. No. El árbitro pitará si voy rápido a buscar el balón. Si voy rápido. Si no, no van a pitar nada. Si juego duro. Si no, no pitan nada.
Buen día, pero es que es igual. Barra sube la pelota y Sergio le está esperando aquí. ¡Vete a por él! Lleva el poste bajo y la mete también. ¡Hostia! Más blandos no se puede estar.
Hey, we mean good 25 shots, good shots. I want to lose the confidence. I want to lose the confidence.
Slow one. Try to work for foul, if it's possible.
No one.
Slow, querido. Slow. Vale.
Control the rejects of Dimitrijevic, okay? And the pick and roll to the right. Usa tu mejor blue, sin falta. Tu mejor blue. ¿Vale? Tu mejor blue.
Who is losing? They are losing. We are not losing, so we have to be especially smart. So, I want just one shot. Just one shot. ¿Qué piensas? ¿Que salvar otra cuestión? No. One pass and one open shot every time. Every time. That's not answer for this. Right here. That's not answer.
Venga, you are here. Venga, you are here. You need to contest. This is the best fucking shooter.
Vamos.
You're tired. Go into swing. But this is not the moment to give up.
Why are you jumping? They will show you the ball. Don't jump. You are sending them. If they make this shot, it's okay. Why are you jumping? Contact. Body on body.